That's why I gave that to the woman. I was like, I.
So what were you doing with this stuff?
This incident took place in Holly Hill, Florida. Police respond to reports of a woman stealing mail from multiple homes along Daytona Avenue. When officers track down a suspected mail thief, but what they find inside a store bathroom changes everything.
You want to look at my bag, sweetie? Because I didn't touch anything.
How you doing?
Hey, I'm good. How are you?
Sergeant Barrett at the police department. You need to come with us.
For what?
Because you're detained for a lawful investigation.
Okay. What am I being detained for, if you don't mind me
We
asking?
can go ahead and just grab this.
A lawful criminal investigation. That's all you need to know right now, okay? So you're not free to go. Come out with us.
All right, we're going to grab your stuff. Don't worry about it.
Okay, can I call my,
Nope, we're not
You
going
need
to worry
come out
about
with
this.
us.
We're going to take this right here. I'm going to take your hands. We're going to put you in the handcuffs, all right?
All right.
How long am I just being detained or
Yep,
arrested?
you're being detained
Okay.
for a lawful investigation, a criminal investigation,
For
okay?
here or?
The woman, later identified as 36-year-old Carri Miller, is detained for investigation.
We'll talk about it in a few minutes.
Okay.
All right, I'll grab your stuff. Don't worry about it.
My stuff fell on the floor, sir.
What
Stuff
stuff?
fell on the floor?
Mine,
Candy, do you buy it? Or is this from here?
Oh, yes, you're
Hold on.
that's
Don't
what
move, and it
I'm
won't.
sorry.
What stuff fell on
My
the
whole
floor?
finger fits in
My
there, all
nerds.
right?
And I
Do you
can't.
buy it?
Your
You come
nerds?
Yes, I did. You can look on the camera.
No,
In there? Hold on one second, Alara. You said you dropped stuff in here?
It was the toilet paper. I had to go get out from here. I know it's all from here.
All right, now,
Okay.
Is that candy from here or
No,
no?
sorry, it's not.
Which stall were you in?
I was going to take one for
Fine, fine. You just saw it. Figure this out. All right, we'll move on. Take your stuff outside. We'll go outside.
Take this, please.
This is all your stuff?
Reader.
No, that's not on mine.
Reader.
Moments later, an officer enters the restroom she just exited. Inside, they make a discovery: a trash can filled with stolen mail.
Right now.
All right, man. If you don't mind, we'll do something really.
Okay. Got it.
All right, man.
Okay. Listen to him.
All right? These are your rights. You have the right to remain silent, and anything you say may be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him or her with you now or anytime during questioning.
Hey, 11 on 2.
Good.
We've got her 10-12. Got her out of the bathroom. Told her she was lawfully detained. Went into the bathroom. There's all the mail with the addresses in the trash can in here.
Anything? Well, you're at $6 General or Dollar Tree at Flemish.
Dollar Tree at Flemish. Yeah, I'll grab her stuff real quick. We'll go outside and we'll chit-chat, okay? What was your name, miss?
Carri Miller?
Okay. Well, Miss Miller, we're going to go outside and chit-chat for a moment. This is all your stuff, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. No, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. All right, let's head outside.
Yes, that was mine. I brought it in on the camera and on the camera, sir.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah. As long as it's yours, that's good. Thank you so much.
I'll try to say that. Like maybe put my phone up for a few seconds so that I can get a number on
Miss
it.
Miller, let's go out and chit-chat. That's not your purse, too, is it?
I guess it is.
That one right there? That's right, because they have a no bag policy. That's hers, right, miss?
As far as I know.
Okay. Said this is yours, Miss Miller? Right here? This is yours?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
it is.
perfect. Oh, I'm going to put all your stuff down. Oops, so sorry. No, it didn't bust. Oh, it did bust. I apologize.
What's up?
What's up, man?
Real quick, man.
Okay.
All right, where you coming from?
Miss Miller, I'm going to cut right to the chase.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to give you the one chance to be honest because we all know why we're here right
Yes,
now.
sir.
Okay, so what in the world would compel you to steal all that mail today? You're running around here looking like friggin' Santa Claus.
I did not have that bag to begin with when that woman stopped me.
Okay.
I was actually holding on to it for a friend because he was actually going up the road.
Okay.
And doing it.
Who's your friend?
Who's my friend?
Yeah.
Her name is Rachel.
Rachel.
Yeah,
Rachel.
she-
I don't know anybody named Rachel. What's her last name?
I don't know. She's a redhead. She tricks.
She tricks.
Yeah.
Goodness gracious.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, after
So
that
that's
woman-
why I gave that to,
Alright.
to the woman. I was like, you know
All
what
right,
I'm saying?
so you left there, all right?
Yes, I did.
And 15 minutes later, some other guy called and said that you were at their
What's
place.
up?
No, I stopped at the house. I can show you the house. It's right here to take my hoodie and everything off.
All right, but what happened down the street when you left that lady?
That lady,
So la médico for the
I left her back.
Well, see, the problem with that is, Miss Miller, is that you're here all by yourself, and guess what? All this discarded property in the trash that we're allowed to go through is all the addresses that we were just at. So this is mail from all that stuff.
Multiple envelopes, all addressed to different victims across the area.
All them places.
That was what was out of the bag that was already, like, I had already had on me.
Yeah.
So, yeah, can you go my headband, please? You don't mind? I don't have a problem being honest with you.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
I have,
So what were you doing with this stuff?
we were supposed to be taking it to 8th Street
8th Street?
Yes, sir.
Where on 8th Street?
on State Ave.
Stayed at.
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
Laura, you got more gloves on you?
What?
You got gloves on you?
Yeah.
More gloves?
Oh, I got it.
I'll go get it.
Do you mind taking
There's no thing that we have one 10-12 right now.
Say what? Oh, thanks, man.
Sir,
Yes.
do you mind taking that headband off my head where it's like just twisting around?
In a second, okay?
That's business?
Yes, sir.
So,
Huh? Yes, sir. I understand. I'm going
where
to the
you said you're
restaurant.
taking it to 8th Street?
Yes, sir.
Where on 8th Street?
If I'm not mistaken,
If you want to come out here with the victim, we're talking about right now.
said that we were taking it to.
I'm sorry, one more time. I couldn't hear you over the stinking radio.
Rachel said that we were taking it to 8th Street where I guess that big rain would happen.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You can answer this question now.
No, it's not a question. I'm just making. I am making a statement of observation that these envelopes have people's personal
Credit card
information.
information.
Look at that.
Look, it's open. Why are you open?
Why is it open?
I opened it. I'm not gonna
Oh,
lie.
ouch.
And I'm not gonna lie.
It doesn't have your name on it. Why are you open it?
Take a photograph.
You go
Or,
to-
yeah, we'll take, yeah. Go ahead and get your phone. So what now? I'm sorry, you were saying about the mail. You opened it for what now?
And then there's some more in my hoodie that hasn't been opened.
Oh, yeah, I can see it right
Yeah.
there. Okay.
Um,
So how much were you going to get paid for this stuff?
I was supposed to get paid $200.
And then Rachel the same, or she get more?
I don't know. I do know that the house up there had got raided here recently.
I have an
and-
issue. Why is some of it thrown away and some of it's not thrown away? That's.
I mean, they told me to see.
We have post Miranda confession, so.
It's more of the risk.
That we're
Do you hear that,
on
sir?
screen station. I've been
So,
Do you hear that?
What's that?
Can you repeat that to the sergeant, please? Why some of
What was that, Miss Miller? I'm sorry.
they said that when we do those emails, so that it doesn't look like there's so much stuff being brought there,
Mm-hmm.
to actually feel and see if there's cards in it, and that's what I did. I felt it,
Yeah.
and to see if there was any cards in it, and the
So,
ones that
yeah, I
were,
noticed all
I
these
threw
are the
them away.
cards.
Huh?
All these are the cards here. So this is, yeah, you kept these because they may have the cards in them, right?
Yeah, but some of the papers, I'm not trying to get close to you.
No, you're fine, you're
Some
fine,
of
you're
the
fine.
papers in there are hard.
Yeah.
I just didn't want to take the time to completely open all of it, to be honest with you, so.
It's a lot to open. I don't blame you. So the problem, I believe you that you were paid to do it. Okay, I'll give you the benefit of the doubt there. The only problem is that all the surveillance footage that we obtained in the last hour
Yes, sir.
from all these areas.
Investigators determine the mail belongs to dozens of victims. In total, items from 63 different addresses are recovered.
Only show you, Miss Miller. They don't show any other redhead or anybody else with you.
Rachel is also going down the road and getting it. I got the bag from her before I even got down that road, before I even started going down those Daytona Ave, sir.
Ouch.
She used to be with a guy named Duke.
Duke.
Yes, sir. And this is my friend.
Let's
My
take a
friend's
picture
like,
of
I
that.
don't want to lose her back because she's gonna kill me if I do.
Oh, this was
They
used
don't
in
kill
the, this was used in the
Oh.
commission of an incident right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, no,
My
that's,
sunglasses and my Mountain Dew isn't gonna
That's
go,
cool.
is it?
Yeah, you can put your sunglasses back
I'm
on.
sorry. I'm trying to be as helpful as possible. You can raise it back up because I know that's more.
There you go.
You're seems like you're either unwilling or unable to give up any assistance.
Miss Miller, can you do me a favor? Now we can
Yes,
have a
sir.
seat. You can
Okay.
rest yourself. I'll help you
Can I have a
down.
syrup one?
Yep.
Yeah. They are in.
Okay, I'll get them for you.
Right there. Yeah, and. Sorry. Yeah.
Lighter in there?
I know the lighter is right there.
All right. Yellow one?
Yes, sir.
Right here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll help you down.
All right, thank you. If you
There you go.
Thank you. Ah!
Damn, extra large gloves for my skinny ass hands. Here you go.
There's another one in here.
So,
Can we get this right in here?
it's just my,
Yes, you can.
alright, it's just the damn gloves. I can't get it childproof. Here you go.
Usually, after all this is done, you could call my dad and let him know that I'm in jail.
I thought you said
he's my stepdad.
Okay, I was gonna say, I thought you just said he just died.
He's my street. He's basically my street dad down here.
Street dad?
Yeah.
What's his name?
John Whitman.
What does a street dad mean?
Somebody that looks out for me.
He's not selling you out or nothing, is he?
Selling me out when you
He's not working you?
tricking.
Yeah.
I don't trick.
Okay.
My mother told me when I was little I don't do that.
Well, if that was the case, I'd like to go after the guy that's making you do that. So if you're saying no, I'll believe you.
So I don't want everybody to come in, but I don't want to be on my 707 like.
We can talk about that. We can talk about that.
Is it going to be several charges in one, or is it just going to be one big charge?
Probably just going to lump it into one big one. Depends on how many, but now it'll be one charge, but there may be multiple counts.
What do you mean? Because
Bring a couple. Actually, bring like 4.
but I will have a bond.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have to see.
What do you want to see?
I have to see what the bond schedule is. 'Cause I can't remember. To tell you the truth, it's been so long since I've been in investigations and stuff. I can't remember
real
if this
quick,
is.
do you happen to have ID on you at all?
I'm sorry.
Alright.
The stolen mail is secured as evidence, and federal postal inspectors are notified.
C-A-R-Y?
My cigarettes, because I had a really good
Yeah, we're not gonna do that.
Alright, Miss Carri, again, C-A-R-R-I, right?
And that's strictly just for our safety, okay? Just use the verify identity code or criminal investigation, doesn't matter.
Can I try to turn that phone on and see if it'll turn on by pushing
This
the button?
one?
Yes, sir.
Let's take a quick peek.
I'm just trying to get
Where's the power button on this sucker?
this side right there.
Right here? Okay.
Yeah. And I also hate to ask, the hair tie I have in my hair, is it solid black?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Not the big one around my head, but the one that's in the ponytail, because,
It looks all black.
okay. Because if not, can I have the one that's on the ground, because they won't give me a hair tie.
We'll see. Alright, looks like it's gonna turn on a little bit. I'm gonna turn it off to save the power for right now.
So, what I say to you on my 707, what I say to you now is it going to be on my 707 where people can go and look at it?
About what? All the stuff you told us about the paying and stuff?
Yeah.
We'll talk. We'll see. We'll talk about that.
Can you just take that off my head, please?
Which one?
The black one.
The one that's dangling?
Yeah, please.
You don't have anything else on you, right?
Sorry. But you think I will get a bond?
Most likely. I'll have to look.
We'll cooperate and help where I'm...
That's something we'll talk about later, okay? But we will have that conversation, or somebody will have that conversation.
Before I go to the jail?
We'll see, yeah.
But you guys can't call somebody and let them know I'm going to jail, though, can you?
It's not in your best interest right now, I'll tell you the truth. If you're talking about providing substantial assistance later on, it's probably better we keep all this to ourselves, right?
Okay. But I am going to jail.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we can't avoid that, unfortunately.
Miller is taken into custody without further incident. She is charged with 63 counts of petit theft, along with 63 counts of fraudulent use of personal identification. Authorities later release her on bond. Meanwhile, victims are contacted to assist in the ongoing investigation. Subscribe to Infrared Patrol for more real crime breakdowns and raw investigations you won't see anywhere else.